Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, March the 12th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. Three puzzles are left: the binary, the Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one. You are interested in this one? Yes, it's the Four Stars Sudoku number. This will be number 8178. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, the Four Stars has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 3 2s, 3 3s, 4 4s. All right. 3 5s. No, 4 5s. Well. 2 6s, 1 7, 1 8, and 3 9s. So the 4s and the 5s are a majority. Can I start with the 4? Yes, 4 in this column, 4 in the column next to the last column. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 4, okay. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in this box. 4 in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so the third row. Only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in this box. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in the third row should be here. Alright, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 4. Now I need to go to the 5s. 5 in this row. 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column, no, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so the third row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 in the first column, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. And now, let me see. 2, 2, 2, 2. Well, in this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in this big square, so no 1 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Alright. Then, let me see. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left. 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, Could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 place left to choose should be here, or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. So the only place left to 2 should be there. Alright. And now, let me see. 3 and the 7. Okay, Let me see. 6, 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. And I need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Okay. Yeah. How about the 1? Need a 1 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 here. I need a 1 there. 1. I'm thinking. Come on. Ay. 7, 5, 4, 2. Need 7 here. I'm thinking. 1. 7, 4, 5, 1, 2. Well. Need a 1 here, need a 1 there. Come on. This is taking too long. Need a 3 here. Yeah. In this column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is the number 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in this column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 3 in this row, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is number 1. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. 8 and the 7. Okay. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. 1. Alright. Need a 3 here. 3. 8 and 7. Come on. 7, 5, 4. Need a 3 here. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 3. We have a pair. The 1 and the 3. The 1 and the 3 in the last row. The 1 and the 3 in the row above. So that row. Only 2 places left for the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. So no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. Alright. 8, 9, 6. Need a 9 here. Need a 6. Need a 8. Well. 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 in these 2 boxes. 3 in the first column. No 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 1. Alright. Okay. 1, 1. 1, 1. I need a 1 here. Yeah. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the third row, no 1 in these two boxes. 1 in the third column, no 1 in those two boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 7, need an 8 here. Need a 6. Need a 7. Well. Come on. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the last column, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in one of those two boxes in this row, so this box can be an 8 and more. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes in this row, 8 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So the row above, only 3 places left. 8 should be here, or there. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Alright. 8. Okay, cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. How about? Need a 1 here also. I'm thinking. 8, 9, 6, 7. Well. Need a 7 here. 7, 8, and the 6. 7, 8, and the 6. 7, 8, and the 6. I'm thinking. Can I start with the 4? Yeah. 4 in this column. 4 in the second column. So in the first column, there are only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. How about the 3s? No, the 3s I cannot fill this yet. How about the 2 then? 2. 2. Well. 9. Need a 9 here. 9. 6, 7, 9. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box. 9 in this big square. The 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those two boxes in this column. 9 in the column next. So the last column only 2 places left on the 9. Could be here, could be there. Need a 6, need a 7 here. Okay. So the 9 could be here, could be there then. Yeah. Need a 9 here. I'm thinking. Yeah, it should be 8 and a 7. Well, 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5. 6 is missing. 6 and a 9. 6 and a 9. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes in this column. 6 in the column next. So last column, there are only 2 places left. 6. Could be here, could be there. So 1 is left in this big square. For the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left is 7. Should be there. 2, 3, 8. Okay. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left is 7 should be there. 7. Need a 7 here. Come on, come on, come on. 6 and 9. 8. 8, 8, 8. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 in these two boxes. Here, 6 in the first column, no 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 in this big square goes together with the 3 as a pair. 6 and a 3, 6 and a 3. Okay. So the other 3 missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. We have the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing here. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. Alright, 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left, 2 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 6 and a 9, we have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Mark those two boxes early with 8. We have an 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 goes together with the 8 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. Then 1 box left. No, yeah, no. 2 boxes, 8 and 6 are left. 8 and 6. Let me mark those. And here, 8, 6, and need a 7 here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. So the 8 and the 6 are left. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 6 and a 3, we have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes in there. 3 in this row, first row, 3 in the second row, so third row, the only place left for 3 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 and a 6, we have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there, finish in 18 minutes. Well. Tough one. But we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. So, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.